guys, and welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian guy. Today another savory recipe, too many sweet recipes on the channel, so I will be showing you how to make cordon bleu. Just a thin slice of chicken or turkey, and it's stuffed with cheese, a slice of cheese, a slice of ham, and then it's closed and coat into the eggs, beaten eggs, and then into the flaxseed flour. A delicacy. Let's go straight away into the recipe. Okay, let's begin our recipe. 500 grams of turkey or chicken, a blend of the two, or just one, or just two, whatever. So I put it in the blender beforehand, so it's already blended, so to say. 2 tablespoons of parmesan if you want. If you don't, please remember to put salt to taste. Pepper, black pepper, this is to marinate the meat. Some garlic powder. Feel free to use whatever species you like in the spice, whatever you like in the meat. I prefer to marinate the meat. This is extra virgin olive oil, and then after 1 hour, of course, we blend everything together, and then I put it to rest in the fridge to absorb the oil and the garlic powder, whatever you have put it inside. I prefer to marinate the meat because it gives more taste to the meat. Also, those kind of meat in keto is very lean meat, so I added olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, to give it kind of a touch of fat. You know, the keto lifestyle is protein, fat, and few carbs. Okay, let's put the meat, after we take it out of the fridge, in a container with some cling film, so it will be easier to take it off the recipient later. Do not make it too thick, so press gently, and then put some stuffing. I used the common one, so ham, cooked ham and cheese, but feel free to put mortadella, for example, if you like, or whatever. And then be sure to seal the borders. This is a very important step, even though you don't use the blended meat but you use the slices. Be sure to seal very carefully so that you won't get any accident in the frying pan or into the oven. If you use the oven, like in my case, I used the oven to cook them. Okay, so this is ready. We go straight away for the second one. I don't show it in the video. It's already done. 1 beaten egg. I put some salt in it, and 50 grams of flaxseed golden flour. It's better to use the golden seeds because they are not bitter. Feel free to put some also spices inside. And coat the cordon bleu in the beaten eggs. Be careful that every part of the surface will be wet by the eggs. Then straight away in the flaxseed flour. Be sure to cover the whole surface as well, especially if you have used the slices, so that the border will be sealed by the how can I say in English? The breadcrumbs, so to say, the flaxseed flour. And then straight away into the oven tray. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, a splash of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and for 40 minutes. So 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 40 minutes. If you fry them, of course, you don't need to put the oil on the top. Here they are, a very easy to make recipe. Delicious, scrumptious, exquisite. If you don't want to use the oven, you can fry them. Be sure that they are very well sealed, and you can use a keto oil, the olive oil, lard, butter, whatever. Coconut oil, I'm not sure because they will taste of coconut oil too much. If you don't want to blend the chicken, the turkey, whatever you have used, you can just take some slices and hammer them with the tool so that they are thin. And then once you have stuffed them, be sure to use some toothpicks to close the borders, to seal the borders. And then when you roll them in the beaten eggs and in the breadcrumbs, in the flaxseed flour, be sure to seal all the borders. So when you cook them, there is no accidents. You can use also the oat fiber, not the flour, the fiber as breadcrumbs. I heard and I've seen that is very fit for this purpose if you don't have flaxseed flour. No other questions come to my mind right now, but if you have any, please comment below and I will be really glad to answer them. Share the video with your friends, please. Subscribe. I'm going close to 3,000 and I want to reach at least 5,000 followers and I definitely need your help. So please support me. Stay sound, stay healthy, stay in keto. See you next time. Bye.